class, lots of people like to talk when they're not supposed to talk. So when the teacher finds out they're talking, the teacher just shares random numbers like 5 minutes off of recess, 10 minutes off of recess, 7 minutes off of recess, 3 minutes off of recess. And to me, those random numbers just don't make sense. Why, you ask? Well, that's because, let's just say this. My friend comes up to me and says, "Hi, Aishi." I say hi back. That takes like 3 seconds to say all those sentences. And then the teacher finds out and she's in a good mood today. So what she does is that she says 4 minutes off of recess for both of us. And that's just not fair. And the next day, the teacher is in a very bad mood. So then my friend comes up to me and says, "Hi." I say hi back. But then the teacher comes up to us and says, "I'm very disappointed in you. That's 10 minutes off of recess for talking in class." That's still not fair. This is where my unique thought comes into play. How about before class, the teacher can set up timers on everyone's desk, and the timer turns on when I talk when I'm not supposed to be talking, and it turns off when I stop talking. This way, if I talk to my friends for 7 minutes, the teacher can get information from the timer that I need 7 minutes off of my recess or free time, and it's more logical and mathematical, and for sure better than random numbers. And if you haven't guessed, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So like how I just shared with you, my unique thought, and how I got it just by looking around. And hopefully I gave you enough information in class that people talk a lot. Bye, and thank you for watching.